Okay, got the rice and the broccoli. Let's get into this sauce. So, I cut half of this Gouda and I put the whole bag of cubes. That goes to Logan. And some black pepper. Y'all know. Look at that. That's the effects of that Gouda and the cube cheese. Oh, and I put a lot cream of chicken. Put it in there. And add a little half cup of water so it don't be so thick. Bam. Get into that sauce. The cream of chicken, Gouda cheese, and cube cheese. It's almost ready. Mix it up. Yeah. So I know what you're probably saying. Why she put Rotel? I would have put the spicy hot Rotel, but my boo don't like it too spicy. So I use 1 cup of rice and like 1 cup of broccoli, 2 cups of broccoli or whatever. The shredded broccoli, the small crushed broccoli, whatever it's called, and broccoli florets. And it wasn't too. I would have preferred it if I would have used 2 cups of rice. So you could probably use 2 cups. Plus, I use all of my cheese sauce. And I'm just going to garnish it with this and some parsley. But that Rotel, give it a little... Oh, I forgot to put some of this. Put some of this red pepper. Let me tell you. A meal is not complete in this house without red pepper. It just give it that... And I need that... I'm Caribbean, so I like that. No. Anywho, hope you enjoyed the holidays. Hope you're staying safe and grateful and out of the energy of competitiveness, because wherever you are on your path, as long as you're alive and well, it's a blessing. It's always going to be somebody bigger and better than us. So, yeah. Enjoy. Anyway, I think I'm going to put some more cheese because it's not as loose as I like it. So I'm going to put some water and be ghetto, and yeah, I'll be back. It was definitely